Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock account on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open your X application. Then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support. Scroll down a little and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Privacy and Safety. Then tap on Audience and Tagging. Then enable Protect Your Post. And this is how you can lock account on Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too, so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.